Are you tired of searching for the best cruelty-free face moisturizer that actually delivers real results? Struggling to find a product that hydrates your skin without harming animals? Well, what if I told you there's a solution that not only meets your ethical standards, but also gives your skin the nourishment it craves? Let's face it, finding a face moisturizer that's both effective and cruelty-free can feel like an endless search. You might be dealing with dry patches, redness, or simply dull, tired skin. And the worst part? Many of the products you've tried just don't live up to their promises, leaving you frustrated and feeling like you're wasting time and money. Does that sound familiar? Imagine a moisturizer that addresses all those problems: deep hydration, smooth texture, and no animal testing involved. That's where BIOSSANCE Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream comes in. This isn't just another face moisturizer on the market. It's a game changer. With ingredients like hyaluronic acid and squalane, this cream delivers instant moisture and restores your skin's natural barrier, leaving it plump, smooth, and visibly healthier. Plus, it's completely cruelty-free. No harm to animals in the making of this product. Did you know that 80% of people experience dryness or irritation from their face creams? With BIOSSANCE, you can stop worrying about that. The powerful plant-derived squalane in this formula locks in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated all day long without any greasy residue. And with the added benefits of omega fatty acids, your skin will look and feel more nourished than ever. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of customers have already seen the transformation this cruelty-free face moisturizer can offer. It's not just about hydration. It's about feeding your skin with everything it needs to feel rejuvenated and glowing. Now here's where it gets exciting. This could be the solution you've been searching for, and it's waiting for you. There's no need to settle for a mediocre product when something better is just a click away. Don't wait too long though. This product is gaining attention fast, and you don't want to miss out on the chance to experience the magic yourself. Ready to give your skin the hydration it deserves while sticking to your cruelty-free principles? Click the link in the comments to grab your BIOSSANCE Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream now. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips and reviews.